My name is Manasi Desai. I work as a laboratory technician at Bigelow. I grew up in India and grew up with a lot of plastic pollution in our water bodies as well as roads and the natural environment. Ocean sciences was a completely new field for me, so I just got really interested in exploring that field. As the weeks went by, I got to know my peers. I've become good friends with all of them, and I still keep in touch with them. I think hands-on experience is really important because your ability to retain knowledge increases. And at the end of the program, I felt really accomplished. I really learned how to face my fear of public speaking, talk about my research in a very effective way so that even general audiences would be able to understand what I did. A big part of my work is to come up with experiments that might help the bigger picture of this project that I'm working with. Water has been an essential part of my life. I just never realized it until I came to Bigelow for that sea change semester program.